In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language for your Kobo Libra tool. So in order to do that, we'll need to move to the More button, which is located in the bottom right corner of our screen. Now find Settings and go for the Language and Dictionaries. Now click Select your language. You might need to click on the language, not on the text itself. From here, you can choose whichever language you prefer. Simply click on it and it will be changed. For example, I'm gonna pick Deutsch. And as you can see, language has changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.